everybody, so today we're gonna make some Victoria sponge cake. So here's our ingredients: flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and a grease tin, and a big bowl. And a big bowl. And with Marilyn. Yes. You gonna say hi to everybody?
Yeah, hi everybody.
Say welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
So today, what you gonna do?
We're gonna make a cake.
Bake a cake! Oh, you're so cute! You're gonna bake a cake! So today she's gonna make a cake. So how old are you, Marilyn? How old are you? How old are you? How old? Tell them how old are you? 3. Yeah, she's 3 years old. And she likes to bake. What's that?
Cake.
You like to, you need to talk over there. You like to bake?
Cake.
Bake a cake. So
Bake a cake.
here you go. Daddy prepared. Our dad prepared this and I'm out of it. So I'm just helping her. So today we're gonna do this. Here's the butter. That Marilyn, scrape the butter, please. No. Use this.
Can I use it?
All of this, dude. Is it all of this?
Yeah, what do you think?
Oh my goodness, so much butter.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to preheat the oven as well.
I love my family, Mom.
You love your family?
No, you just like eating, Marilyn.
Can I have that and Mommy help you?
Yeah.
Mommy just put that.
Can I help you?
Daddy, can you preheat the oven?
Mix it.
Oh no, I just came in the video.
And you're gonna mix it with
Flour.
what's that? Sugar. Sugar. Yeah. Put the half first and mix it. Wow, you're really doing really
Today,
good.
we're gonna make a real cake.
Yeah. You're gonna be good at this, Marilyn.
Mixing.
You like this, didn't you, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You make it and Daddy will eat it.
Not that. No, not wedding. We have to make it first.
Okay, princess.
I'm still wedding. We have to Mom, it's my turn now. Mom, it's my turn now.
Okay.
Mix it. And also flour again.
I think should
Mom, it's
Mommy
my
add the sugar then.
Yeah, let me help you.
Okay, keep mixing it. That's it.
Today, we're gonna make a real cake. Daddy, the cake is not ready.
Should Mommy help?
You know, let me out and finish. Mom, now. Oh, yeah. Can I?
Yeah, you got to mix it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll Go get the mixer. Yeah.
When you've done it, just
Just even it out. Get that big spatula. Yeah. Then try and level it off in the tins even. Because it'll come up like a point when you cook it, won't it? And try not to keep opening the door. In the oven.
Put in the two baking.
Side by side. You have to put it in at an angle.
No. Don't touch the egg.
Mom,
Yeah.
that's
Mix it up like that.
Mom, it's my turn now.
Okay, you keep mixing it then. Say it again.
We're gonna make a real cake.
What are you adding up now?
We're gonna make this the real wonder egg.
Eggs. Okay, we're gonna add some eggs, yeah?
I haven't got your egg, that one.
Keep mixing it, please.
20 to 25 minutes.
You're doing really well, Marilyn. Say, what did you put in there? What did you put in it? Tell them.
Eggs in them.
How many eggs we put in it?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good girl. She got 4 eggs. Well done.
Mix it.
Mix it.
It's my turn
Okay,
now.
can mommy mix it now?
Of course.
Of course.
Mom, so it's my turn now.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the mixer.
In there? Mom, in there?
No,
Mom,
not in there. Okay.
where?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not that one. The big one. Then we're gonna add. You're gonna mix it.
Yes.
Okay, keep mixing it. Mommy put the flour.
More, a little bit more.
Okay. Mix that one first. You could have mixed it. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, we can mix real cakes. Mix it down all it. Messy sheet you can. I can see the button.
Put more. Mix it more.
It's done.
You're really doing good at mixing. Go mix it out one more. Keep mixing. See, it's not mixed yet. Good girl. No, not yun. Mommy, help.
No thanks. Mommy, no thanks. Mom, can hold the bowl.
Mommy, hold the bowl just in case you don't fall anywhere.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
Mom, it's wobble.
Whoa. Now you mix it. You add this one more?
Yeah. Yeah. Can I help you? That's right. Look a bit. Today, we're going to make some real cakes.
Show them the cakes, look.
Look, we can make some real cakes. Mommy, let's make a big goddamn
What?
cake.
Gonna make some cakes. What we're gonna put for in the middle later? I think we're gonna put some jam. Oh, can mommy mix it now?
No, this is
You
Mom.
need to mix it now,
Mom,
please.
no thanks. You don't need help. Mom, no thanks. You don't need help. Wait, mix it. Mom, can I do like that?
Look, it's not mixing. You got to mix it, baby. You can lick it down. Come on. Mommy help.
No thanks, Mom. I don't need help. Mom, no thanks. I don't need help.
Yeah, keep mixing and then we're gonna put it in the... Where we gonna put it in? We're gonna put it in the
In here.
grease tins. Use these tins. I'm gonna help you for a sec, yeah?
A minute.
Yeah, hang on, mommy put it all together.
Sophie, Mommy don't need help. Mommy don't need help. Mommy don't need help.
Can we put it in there now?
Yeah,
Okay, should mommy help you?
yeah, she
Okay.
can.
Half in there.
Today,
And half in there.
in here, today, we're going to make some real cakes.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Oh, we thought you like it.
Can I do it now?
We're going to need help, Mom.
I don't need help.
No, you don't need help.
Can I scrape this one now?
Can I help you?
Okay, 1 second.
Mommy don't need help.
Okay, 1 second. Mommy gonna scrape it in this side because
Mom, you don't need help.
it's hard because you're left-handed and I'm right-handed. You see?
Can I help you?
Okay, you can hold mommy's hand then. That's it.
It's so yummy, Mom.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
I think this is mommy's job now.
Can I help you?
Wait. Mommy gonna put it in. Wait. No, wait.
Mom, wait.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the. Daddy said you need to put it like this.
Oh, and you don't need help, Mom. Mom, you don't need help. Mom, this is so yummy. Mom, that's so yummy.
Is that yummy?
Look, that's so yummy. Mom, you don't need help, Mom.
And we're gonna bake it. Here you go. You're gonna show it them. You're gonna show the tin.
You do it like that.
Yeah, you're gonna show them your tin.
We're gonna show them Tim's.
Show them your tin.
We're gonna show
Say we're gonna put it in the oven for 20-25 minutes.
50, 60. Mom, you need to say yummy.
Is that yummy?
Yeah, look.